Hey, I hope you're doing fabulous today. We are having a back to school promotion for the next couple of weeks, a free gift set, and I'm going to show you what's included, but I'm going to show you how to use it also. The first thing is you're going to get a free, with any $49 order more, the Hide It Concealer and 2 eyeshadows. So I'm going to show you first how to use the Hide It Concealer. You will probably have your smooth operator on, and what you want to do is just take your handy helper brush, and what you can do is just apply it underneath the eyes, anywhere you feel like you have been maybe have some dark circles. You know, you're getting up earlier, it's not summertime anymore, having to rush those kids to school and also get yourself either off to work, or just you've been studying, up late studying, going back to school. So the concealer it's so wonderful because you can just apply it anywhere. Some even like to use this Hide Concealer as a foundation. So I'm just gonna kind of do it here in the comma marks to make those kind of go away and right above my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna take my liquid foundation, I'm gonna go all over on top of it. Go all over there. And I like to use, of course, smooth operator underneath the concealer first. I love to start after the skincare. The smooth operator, that's just the best makeup primer there is, in my opinion, of course, being it BS Fleur de Vie, but it's just awesome because it has encapsulated color particles that pop beads when you start blending it. Okay, so that is just my foundation, okay? Okay. And then I'm going to show you how to use, you get the 2 eyeshadows. One is the Bisque, this is one of my favorite, and you go all over the lid. Now I have some eyeshadow on from early this morning. I'm just kind of trying to show y'all how to use it. Go all over the lid. And use your eyeshadow brush and load each side of it. Okay, and then you're gonna take your contour brush. It's the round eye contour brush. It's a round brush. And you also get Bronzini, which is a wonderful contour color. So I'm gonna roll it and go back and forth like a windshield wiper. Go back and forth like a windshield wiper. Just apply it and then just go back and forth. Okay, and then I would do my eyeliner, my mascara, and after I blend again real good with a blush brush or the blending brush, I would go back one more time with the Bisque. I would just go back on the brow, and then with your Mauve On Over Trio, you can get that when you get $49 order or more. You get that free kit that I just told you about, and then you get a B perk. I would suggest getting new blushes, and you can use them as eyeshadows, blushes. There's a highlighter in here on the bottom is your highlighter. You just do that right there, and then I love to layer and then just do round circles back to the top of the ear. And then you would set with your HD setting powder. And you can also, I like to go over the eyelids too. So just to give a little pop of color and to make sure you blend. You don't want to see where you start and stop. And for a more dramatic look, if you have the time, and remember, this is just supposed to be a really quick makeup, but if you can, just go back real quick with the contour, with the bronzy one more time. Do your mascara, get your lip gloss on, and you are out the door. So those 3 products are absolutely free. Your 2 eyeshadows and your concealer, absolutely free. With back to school is your coupon code, and they will be included in your order. So I hope that helps. Have a great day. Bye-bye.